Hey, thank you for clicking on the video on the inflatable hot tub. Today we're going to be draining it. If you like this inflatable hot tub content, please subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more videos on inflatable hot tubs. So because you're draining the hot tub, the very first thing I like to do is power it off. And then I actually go over to the outlet and I actually unplug it there as well. Located by the pump on the base here is the drain. You actually take the cap off, and this you can hook up. It's regular garden hose threads. You can hook a garden hose up to it. Just take your regular garden hose here with a gasket in there. We're going to hook it on. And I actually took the hose, pardon the mess, and I ran it over there, dive bombed it down the hillside. Now you're going to have to take the cover off because inside there's a flapper. You pull the flapper and then it actually begins draining the tub. Now this, to me, my least favorite part about the inflatable hot tubs is the way the cover comes off. Nobody really has a good design. That the hard shell hot tubs actually have a good design where the cover can fold over, or you can just easily shimmy it off onto a table nearby. Located on the bottom of the hot tub, you'll find that flapper with a plug in it. You might want to put a weight on it to keep it held open. A smooth rock, something. Well, I found this rock. It's not the cleanest, but the hot tub's going to get cleaned again. So we just hold that flapper open and you're draining.
It's getting down there. Almost done draining. Won't be long, we'll have this deck out of here.